The Indian Air Force is insisting on carrying out technical trial rounds for the MRFA program, due to which Boeing is planning to withdraw its F-18 from the race, and instead offer its F-15X, that has a better chance to clear technical trial rounds. Subgroup Gripen is now a much more stable product, and it is confident to clear technical trial rounds, but the development of the indigenous Tejas Mark II program might dent its bid chances. Indian Air Force is not keen on the Russian offer of MiG-35 and Su-35, while Lockheed Martin plans to beat its competition with F-21 on price. Eurofighter Consortium plans to offer its Typhoon Tranche 3, that is equipped with European Common Radar System Mark II with an improved electronic attack and electronic warfare capabilities. The French Rafale remains the front-runner, as the Indian Air Force is in favor to procure more Rafale F4 configuration at a much cheaper price. Germany's Rheinmetall Group has unveiled its latest Kf-51 Panther main battle tank that weighs 65 tons, that is armed with a 130mm caliber main gun. The company has claimed that projectiles fired from a 130mm gun will be 50% more effective than the 120mm gun, and will also offer a much longer range. French company Nexter has also started testing a 140mm main gun as part of the development of a future tank program that will be 70% more effective than the existing NATO standard 120mm gun. If requested by the Indian Army, the DRDO can develop a 130mm rifled or smoothbore gun for the next generation main battle tank program, but the Army needs to decide on the caliber of the main gun now, so that there is adequate time for development and testing, as the Army wants to start induction of the next generation tank from 2030 onwards. India has successfully conducted a night test of its 350 km range Prithvi-2 surface-to-surface nuclear-capable short-range ballistic missile that was mounted on a mobile Tatra transporter erector launcher that has validated all operational and technical parameters. The Prithvi-2 was launched in salvo mode by Strategic Forces Command of the Indian Army as part of an operational exercise, and it destroyed the target with high accuracy with zero circular error probability. This mission was of greater significance as the Prithvi-2 was tested in its full deliverable configuration, and it indicates India's operational readiness and reliability of its deterrent component. The Indian Air Force has made a strong case for the Air Force to be given the mandate of a Space Force, in addition to its responsibility of securing Indian interests in the air. The Air Chief has said that space is a natural extension of the air medium, and he reaffirmed the need to adapt to this new environment rapidly. The Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also said that the Indian Air Force does need to transcend to an air and space force in the coming years, and the Defence Ministry is working on this vision, under which the Air Force will fully integrate the air and space capabilities to have a common picture of the aerospace medium, and reduce the sensor-to-shooter time and enable optimum force application. The Special Forces of the Indian Army and Air Force jointly validated the aerial insertion and deployment of Special Forces operatives through water parachute jumps as a part of an ongoing two-day exercise. The joint operation has also fine-tuned specific drills and procedures to enhance their operational skills in various terrains. New Space India Limited, which is the commercial arm of Indian Space Research Organisation, will launch a batch of satellites for Singapore by the end of June, and another mission involving a West Asian country is also in the pipeline. The 3 satellites from Singapore will weigh 500 kilograms, which is about half the capacity of PSLV launch vehicle. The launch will be on the PSLV C-53 mission, and Singapore has purchased the whole launch vehicle.